Let's try to explain that geometry problem again. Now consider the line ABC. Somewhere in the middle is the midpoint, which is going to be called N. Somewhere between A and C is going to be point B. Point B and point A is going to be a line segment. In the middle of that is going to be a midpoint, which we're going to call M. Now, rather than writing down things like AM, MB, MN, BC, which I think we both agree we found initially confusing, let's try to build our intuition a different way. Think about, you realize that AM and MB are the same length, so I'm just going to represent them with two red lines. So whenever you see a red line, you know it's going to be something that is going to be the length AM, and you know that two red lines equals AB. And then now for the line AN, let's make it blue. And then if you know AN is blue, then you know that NC is going to be the same length, and that's also going to be blue. And now we can do some interesting math, some sort of interesting visual algebra / geometry. So we can ask the question, what is BC? BC is then equal to 2 blue segments minus 2 red segments. Do you see that? And if you do a little bit of clever algebra, which you can do pretty quickly, you know that 2 blue segments minus 2 red segments is the same as 2 times a blue segment minus a red segment. Do you see that? Great. Now this is critical because you see this all over the place. And what you'll see now is you'll ask yourself, what is a blue segment minus a red segment? A blue segment minus a red segment, which basically, here's a blue segment, goes all the way down to minusing 1 red segment, is equal to, you got it, MN. And so now what you can see is that BC is equal to 2 times MN.